Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to remove your iPhone wallpaper, and it's really simple, and this is going to be a quick video since it's very simple. So drop down the menu or drop down your notification bar and then long press, and then all you have to do is go to the wallpaper you want to delete or remove, and basically just swipe up to that and press the delete this wallpaper, and it removes the iPhone wallpaper basically, and you can revert back to going to another wallpaper if you want to do so. So it's just that simple to remove your iPhone wallpaper. There's no shortcuts, there's nothing else you need to do. You can even go to your settings and then wallpaper, and then just brings you here basically, but this is the faster version. All you have to do is swipe up again and press delete and delete this wallpaper right there. So there you go guys, that is how you remove your iPhone wallpaper. Simple as 1, 2, 3, and you'll be on your way. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.